I wasn't that excited, but apparently the storm moving into Palm Beach has a lot of people excited. I mean, when even the staff is running out to take pictures, it must be something a little special or different. So kind of interesting clouds rolling through. A little bit of wind, a little chilly, little rain, not too cold. And then the boats, obviously. So we are on Palm Beach. That's West Palm on the other side, the famous Breakers Hotel. And we are at the Ben Hotel, part of the Marriott Group. Amazing as always. Okay. Yeah.